welcome to another week of Forex Bunker. It's a weekly wrap. We'll go over the EU, GU and AU's charts to see what's going on. Now we'll start off with EU daily chart. Now we can see that the market has been pretty much held in a very tight range of around 230 pips. This is our normal price movement, as you can see, throughout the weeks before and months before, but in the last 7 days, we've basically held in a range, and this is true across all three of the pairs. Now, this week, Euro was waiting for the summit, the Euro summit, and we shall see how the traders digest that on Monday. Keep a close eye on where this market will break out to, and it will be all focused on what has happened over the weekend. So keep a very close eye on that. As in terms of actual trading, I hope that you all had a fantastic trading week. And let's look at what we anticipate to see from EU in the weeks to come. Firstly, we're looking at this bottom zone, this bottom swing level, as well as the SR that price is currently sitting on. This is the 132 even to 132.50 area. So keep a close eye on that. If we do break below, we do have another stopover very close by, the 131.50, which is the swing low just here. So there are two zones to look out for this week as price does move down, or if it does move down. Above that, we've got a lot of sellers in the market currently around from the 135 mark. So keep a close eye on that if price does move up. 135 mark will probably be the pivotal part, because if you can see, price has been around this area for quite a long time, many days in the last few weeks. So this will be the pivotal point. If price wants to move up to make a new high, it'll come off this 135. So moving on to AU. AU's been pretty much the same. We had 6 days of sideways movement. Had a pretty big push from the rate change, as well as the Euro summit information that started to come out Friday. So this is quite an interesting development. We've got a nice pin bar here. So keep a close eye on this market. It did bounce off the 101 area and just below it parity. So it's really trying to keep above parity at the moment. The price has a long way to go to actually break, about another 150 pips to go to break this 104 mark. So the 104 mark is the key pivotal point on the upper side for AU this week, and then the 105. So there's a fair bit of SR in this area, based off here and also further left of the chart. So keep a close eye on that. On the lower side, look out for the parity. But if we cannot push and do move sideways more, I'll show you what this means. We just zoom out a little, shrink down. Price has essentially made a new low just here, a new lower high here, and now we've made a new higher low. So it looks like it's going to step up. So where this price does break the 107, or whether it comes and breaks the low, is for the overall movement of AU. There's only a couple of weeks left before Christmas, so we could see the market drifting a little. So please pay close attention to that. Don't get caught. Just be very patient with your trades over the next few weeks. GU, pretty much the same as the others across the board. This also represents the same thing we just pointed out on AU. Price is starting to tighten. We have a fair bit of SR right at this 157.70 to 157.50 mark. So keep a close eye on that to see if price can break through, confirm it as retraced before it has a go at this 161 area to 162 area. On the lower side, this last swing low and this 153.50 mark, which was this swing low on the left here, it's pretty much the same price, so look out for the swing low. As I said just before, on AU, price is really trying to see if it can either confirm a lower move or confirm a higher move as it's starting to tighten. So keep a close eye on that this week. That's all from me. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you. Cheers.